Brady, where's your mama? You have to keep your head up, silly goose. Where's your mommy? How are you doing? How are you doing today? Huh? Where's your mama? What's that face for? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Whew. What's going on? You want to say hi, Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandpa. That's the grandpa's hi? Yeah. Want to say hi to Bubby? Say hi to Bubby. Hi, Bubby. Alright. Yeah? Okay. Tell me about it. Tell me about your day. Oh.